The Amazon rainforest, a world unlike any other on Earth. It stretches across 9 countries, covering more than 5.5 million square kilometers. An endless sea of green that can be seen even from space. Often called the lungs of our planet, it produces 20% of the world's oxygen. But beyond its beauty and its vital role in the Earth's climate lies a darker reality. In this place, survival is never guaranteed. Every second, every movement, and every decision can mean the difference between life and death. From the forest floor to the highest treetops, the Amazon is alive with creatures, each one fighting in its own way to endure. The hunters. In the thick shadows of the jungle, predators rule. The jaguar, with its golden coat covered in black rosettes, stalks silently through the undergrowth. Unlike other big cats, it kills not with a bite to the throat, but with a crushing strike to the skull. Its jaw pressure is the most powerful of any big cat in the world. In the rivers, a different hunter lurks. The green anaconda, weighing hundreds of kilograms, glides just beneath the surface. With a sudden strike, it coils around its victim, squeezing until there is no breath left. These predators are not just hunters. They are symbols of the Amazon's raw and unforgiving power. The prey. But for every predator, there are countless prey struggling to stay alive. Capybaras, gentle giants of the rodent world, gather in herds along riverbanks. Their safety lies in numbers, always alert, always listening for the faintest rustle. High in the canopy, agile monkeys leap effortlessly from branch to branch, their cries echoing like alarms through the forest. Above them, flashes of color fill the skies. Scarlet macaws and toucans, their wings painting streaks of red, yellow, and blue against the green. Each animal has evolved its own way to survive, but all share the same constant fear, becoming the next meal. The struggle. Life in the Amazon is not only predator against prey. It is also a struggle against the environment itself. During the wet season, the forest floods, rivers expand, and land disappears beneath meters of water. Animals must adapt quickly or perish, and when the dry season arrives, the very opposite happens. Water sources shrink, and competition grows fierce. Piranhas swarm in shallow pools, their sharp teeth flashing in the dark water. Giant river otters, powerful swimmers and fierce protectors, fight off any threat to their young, even crocodilian caimans. Here, every day is a battle, not just to feed, but to defend, to endure, and to hold on to life. The small but mighty, yet some of the most extraordinary warriors of the Amazon are also the smallest. Army ants march in endless waves, their jaws cutting down anything that dares to block their path. Leafcutter ants, tiny but tireless, work together with astonishing precision. Each one carrying a piece of green, many times its weight, to build vast underground farms. Insects may seem insignificant, but they are the silent engineers of the rainforest. Recycling, building, and shaping the very foundation of this great ecosystem. The cycle of life. In the Amazon, death is never an end. It is the beginning of something new. When one animal falls, vultures descend from the sky, tearing the remains apart. Beetles and tiny organisms follow, breaking down every fragment until it returns to the earth. These nutrients feed the soil, giving rise to new plants, which in turn feed countless more creatures. This cycle of life and death has continued for millions of years, sustaining one of the richest and most complex ecosystems on Earth. Nothing is wasted here. Every struggle, every loss, and every triumph fuels the heartbeat of the rainforest. The Amazon is a land of wonder and danger, of beauty and brutality. For every creature, survival is the ultimate challenge. This is the eternal struggle. The battle for survival in the Amazon.